Hello, I'm Andy, and I'm going to read to you Lord Buddha's 2018, that's 2018, annual animal sign horoscope. And that's for you coming from the pig family. Now, in the area of romance, you're going to find disappointment. Either the ongoing romance is going to be very difficult and all the promises made earlier become not very believable in 2018, or if you find a new romance in 2018, it's going to come loaded with complications. And so either way you are caught in the romance area. Is it better not to have a romance at all? Some people might think better that way. At least you are not pushed to the wall and the unhappiness level doesn't go high. Now, in your area of romance, be very choosy. The ongoing romance, you will find that compatibility suddenly becomes very difficult. Demands are put upon you. And of course, it'll make you very unhappy. And your romance can be very fragile, meaning it can break easily. So if you value it and you want it, you'll have to bend backwards to try and cope with it. Now, if it is a new romance that comes into your life, then be careful. As I said, it comes with plenty of difficulties. And for some reason, it will be after a nice beginning. By the time it's the second quarter of the year, you will already find that a lot of problems are there facing you. A lot of commitments you have made, you want to get out of it. So you have to be very cautious in any standard of romance, whether ongoing or whether new. Now let's talk of marriage. Your marriage is going to have difficulties, I will say that much, and it's not going to be very peaceful. But then you can cope with it. There is that bond of love, there's that bond of commitment, there's that family area as well. So you'll have to do that. You'll have to plan long term because your short term is going to come like a machine gun with so many issues going wrong. And you will see that you coming from the pig family is going to attract plenty of differences in marriage, meaning that whatever you say, whatever your marriage person says, partner says, it will be all very different. And don't allow siblings and your parents to interfere with your marriage. It will only make things more complicated. So get ready for a bit of ups and downs. There are more downs than ups in 2018 in your marriage area. Regarding your job, it's not going to be secure. You have to be very cautious that to lose a job would be very easy and to find a new job would be very difficult. And so wanting to make changes, think carefully. Do you really have to? If you must, then you will find more than one change that you will have to make. You will not find easy happiness wherever you go. And so you will end up in 2018 with making changes left, right and center. And even if you don't make changes in that different companies, even at that one company you will move department to department. So there's a lot of restlessness, a lot of uncertainty in your area of job. So if you can hold on to your present job, you know these circumstances, you know the environment well, stay there. That will be much safer for you. In the area of business, I will have to really say that losses are very real and difficulties in coping with losses won't be easy. And you'll have your back to the wall, you'll have to struggle. And so be prepared for that. And you may even want to go into new businesses out of frustration. Don't do that because you will open the door and you'll allow more trouble to come in. So it's better to stay your ground with what you know. Consolidate, which means what you have in your hands, make it better, make it stronger. The way things are in 2018, these restless planets will give you opportunities to go into new areas of business. Now, I won't say don't go. Opportunities will come, so you've got to grab the opportunities. But make sure you know that industry well. Make sure you know how to cope. Make sure you don't have to spend too much learning because that's going to cost you money in business. Now, regarding your health, I worry about your stomach a lot in 2018. You're going to have stress, you're going to have anxiety, you're going to have gastric problems. And so look after your stomach, eat on time as much as you can. Also your glands. If you're a woman listening to me, gynecological glands are in trouble like the ovaries. If you're a man, it'll be the prostate gland. and look into these areas. Now, 2018 overall, the foundation is weak for you. So you cannot afford to expect things to come your way quickly. There will always be plodding, and you will have to get ready for whatever you want in any area of your life to plod and to work hard to get it. Okay? I'm already Skyping and I'm charging USD 50 for a 90-minute Skype session, and that's based on very much your personal date of birth and time of birth and all that. And so I will, for the next 5 or 6 years, I will look into your areas to tell you what is going to happen in your next 5, 6 or 7 years. Go to Facebook, go to Skype, send me an email. I will tell you exactly how to go about it. I will tell you what to expect from your 90 minutes of Skype session with me. Until then, thank you and good luck.